How to make your own city!
Vroom, vroom. We made our own city today.
We're playing with cars and roads. We're going to show you how to do it so you can play too. Beep, beep, beep. The first thing that you need to make your own city is masking tape. Let's get building.
You can make your roads to go up furniture so you can make a hill. We use crayons to draw lines down the tape like a road. I'm going to put roads inside the town square so you can go anywhere you want without having to go around it. After that, we're going to add some trees.
We made the trunk with paper towel roll, and we made the leaves with tissue paper. And then we added some buildings. We drew the buildings on some construction paper. I'm gonna put the post office right over where the school is.
You can use blue construction paper to make a lake.
I added a school because I thought it would be really cool to drive a school bus. I like this road through the forest. It's so pretty to drive through the trees.
Beep, beep. Uh-oh, there's so much traffic.
This is our city!
Touch here for more great videos. Come play with us. Press the button. You can do it right here.